What up, people? Josh from everydayfba.com. Today I'm going to show you how to create a real simple, awesome looking link in bio page like you see right before your eyes. It looks really awesome on desktop and on mobile as well. And we're going to create this using a free software called System.io. System.io can do a lot of things, much more things than just create that link in bio page. But if you're using Linktree, you're using StanStore or Beacons or anything else like that, System.io is what you should go with. And we're going to create this site. Now, everything I'm going to show you in this video, you can do for free. So once you go and grab your free account with System.io, you're going to go over to the Sales Funnels tab, and you're going to hit this little button right here that says Create. We're going to name our funnel, and I'm just going to call this Link in Bio. We'll select the domain. We can build an audience, sell a product, custom, or run an evergreen webinar. I'm just going to put custom for this one because I want to start just kind of with a blank funnel, and then we'll add the page from there. So we'll click on Link in Bio. Open up that funnel. We have no pages here, so down here we're going to click on Add a Step. And we're just going to call this home page, and we're going to choose the type. Now the type, System.io actually has a type for us, Link in Bio. We can select that and hit Save. And now it gives us some nice templates here that we can start out with. So we can choose one of these if we want, or we can even just choose one and then delete everything that's on it and start from scratch. So we're going to go and edit this page right here. Click on Edit. It's going to open up the editor, and if you ever use ClickFunnels or pretty much any other kind of other drag and drop funnel builder, this is very similar to the same. So System.io is very easy to use, and we can go and work off this template that we already have. We can click on the picture here and upload our own image. We can change out the text, we can change out the background, and do everything we need to do to customize this to our brand. But let's say we want to start from scratch. I'm just going to delete everything that's even on here and start from nothing. And I'll show you how easy it is to go ahead and build this. So I'm going to go and I'm going to add a section here. And in that section, I'm going to put a row. Okay. And this is where I'm going to start to build that link in bio. This right here, this little area, this is going to be the row that we're going to build out, this nice little box. And then we're going to input the profile pic, a little description, maybe some social links, and then these buttons. So let's build out the basics of this link in bio. The first thing is an image, and then we have my name, maybe some more text under that. Then we have a column for those social media links, and these social media links, they're essentially just small images. So we'll input those in as well. And it looks really big on screen, I know, but this is not how it's going to look in the final draft. I'm just building out the bones. After that, we're going to have some buttons here. So there's the button, and I'm going to edit this to, let's see, let's fill the width first of all. Let me just do that. And then I'm just going to hit this little copy button to duplicate the buttons. So here are the buttons that are going to be in my link in bio, these buttons here. And again, it doesn't look quite like it, but because we have to do a little bit more editing to it, I just wanted to lay out the basic bones and structure of this link in bio page. So now that we got the format, we're going to go over to the section, and on the settings on the left-hand side, we're going to scroll down to where it says size and position, and we're going to look at the content width. Right now it's at full page, which is why it's so big. Let's make it, let's go medium. What about small? Small is maybe, I think small is actually the right size, kind of fits the same format here. So we'll go with small for now. And then we'll just start putting in our pictures, changing our headlines and our text, switching out the names for the buttons, and then connecting the URL to the buttons so that they go where we want them to go. So for the buttons, we can click on the buttons, and the settings are going to be on the left side. Now this is going to be important right here. The action when the button is clicked, we're not going to be submitting any kind of form. So we want the button to go maybe to another page within System.io. Maybe it wants to go to an affiliate offer, or maybe we want it to open up a pop-up. Whatever we want it to do, we can select that action right here. So it says submit form for right now. We can do show pop-up, we can do open URL, next step URL, and we can even download a file here with these buttons. So it's up to you what you want to do and how you want to arrange it, but it's very easy to switch out each of these buttons. Same with the photos, very simple. Right on the left hand side, you're going to hit the little cloud and you can upload your image, or if you already have images there, you're going to be able to select those as well. Let me just select. There's my face again, and there's my face way too big, right? But we can go over here on the left side and play with the image sizing, get it down to a size that we want, that is manageable. Come in here, edit the text, edit the pictures and links, and even the background as well. If we go to the settings section, left-hand side, again, right here, we can change out the background image. And I'm just going to put an image that I already have. And it's on repeat right now, but we can do full center fixed. And you can see that that background washed out everything that's happening here, but I can change that by highlighting the row. And over here on background, we can actually change the background color of this box, maybe make it white so that it pops just a little bit more. All right, guys, I did a little bit of editing. This is what we came up with, but because this is an opt-in page, we need some way to collect an email, but we can do that easily with a pop-up, maybe even with a button. So with this first button, I'm gonna click on it over here on the left-hand side. Instead of submit form, I'm gonna put show pop-up, and then I'm gonna select the pop-up. Now the pop-up I've already created right here. It's just basic pop-up. I didn't edit it at all, but this pop-up will open when anybody clicks on that first button. And we can also set some settings here on the left-hand side for it to open automatically. So we can open this pop-up automatically after how much seconds we want. So right now it's set for 10 seconds. We can open on exit in 10, and we can open on mobile as well. So all of this is looking pretty good. And again, it's looking pretty good on mobile as well. System.io gives you a nice preview here, although I always like to open my mobile phone and go to the page myself to really get a final look at how it will look on mobile, but everything looks pretty awesome here. So this is my homepage. If you go to everydayfba.com right now, this is the exact page that you're going to see. And this is the easy duplicate that we just made with just a few minutes time. We could definitely go in here and refine this a little bit more, and you can make it exactly how you want. But you saw how easy it is to do with System.io. Now System.io does way more than create those simple link in bio sites. You can create full-on sales funnels, websites, blogs. You can do all of your email marketing. You can host an affiliate program, everything you need to do to run an online business right now, start selling physical or digital products, pretty much anything online. You can do it with System.io. So get your free account now. There's a link down in that first comment to go and do so. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.